What makes a man attractive to a woman? Is it his looks, his sense of humor, or his intelligence? While every woman has her own preferences, there are a few traits that are universally attractive. In this video, we'll explore the 4 things in men that women find attractive. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to HighValue Man and turn on notifications so you won't miss next videos, and also learn how to become an attractive and high value man. 1. Confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a man can possess. It shows that he knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. A man who is confident in himself exudes a certain energy that women find irresistible. He is comfortable in his own skin, and this confidence is evident in the way he carries himself, the way he speaks, and the way he interacts with others. Confidence is not about being cocky or arrogant. It's about having a strong sense of self-worth and being able to communicate that to others. A man who is confident in himself is not afraid to take risks, try new things, or stand up for what he believes in. Women find this quality incredibly attractive because it shows that the man is in control of his life and can take charge when necessary. Number 2. Sense of humor. A man who can make a woman laugh is always attractive. A sense of humor shows that he doesn't take himself too seriously and can find joy in life's little moments. Women appreciate a man who can make them laugh, as it helps them to relax and feel more comfortable around him. A good sense of humor can also be a sign of intelligence, as it requires quick wit and the ability to think on one's feet. Men who can make women laugh are seen as more approachable and less intimidating. This makes it easier for women to connect with them and get to know them on a deeper level. 3. Kindness. Kindness is a trait that is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important to women. A kind man is someone who is considerate of others, empathetic, and generous. He is someone who will treat a woman with respect and make her feel valued. A kind man is also someone who is attentive to a woman's needs and desires. He will listen to her, support her, and be there for her when she needs him. Kindness is a quality that is not only attractive, but also essential in any healthy relationship. 4. Ambition. Finally, women are attracted to men who are ambitious and have goals for their future. Ambition shows that a man is motivated, driven, and willing to work hard to achieve his dreams. It's not about being rich or successful, but rather having a passion and working towards it. A man who is ambitious is someone who is not content with just settling for mediocrity. He is constantly striving to better himself and to achieve more in his life, because he is hungry for more status, for more money, for more quality in his life. And this can be a very inspiring quality for women, as it shows that the man has a purpose and direction in life. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to HighValue Man so you don't miss next videos, and you can be a part of our movement to be in 10% of men side. I mean the HighValue Men side.